Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove virus warning pop-up on your Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for Control Panel. After that, click on Open. Then what we're going to do is to click on Uninstall a program. So in this part, all you have to do is to look for any software that you find suspicious. So all you have to do is to look for any software or program that you don't use. So let's say, for example, that Rockstar Games Launcher right here seems suspicious. So what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click on Uninstall and then click on Continue. After that, just click on Yes. And then after that, it will now be automatically uninstalled in your PC. So after that, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD and then click on Run as Administrator. After that, click on Yes and then type sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. After that, Windows will scan your system and all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. Now, while it is verifying, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for Run and then click on Open. And then we're going to type temp and then click on OK. So after that, what we're going to do is to select all of the files right here by clicking Ctrl A on your keyboard and then click on delete and then click on do this for all current items and then click on skip and then click on skip again. After that, close this and then open Run once again. And then in this time, what we're going to do is to put percentage on both ends of temp and then click on OK. After that, do the same thing. So select all of the files and then click on delete and then click do this for all current items and then click on skip. And then after that, just close this and then open Run once again. But this time, we're going to type prefetch and then click on enter. After that, just select all of the files once again and then click on delete and then click on do this for all current items and then click on skip. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to close this and then open Windows Security. So just type security and then open Windows Security right here. And then in this part, just click on virus and then make sure that all of your virus protection are turned on, which is right here. So once you do that, what we're going to do next is to make sure that our virus and threat protections are in the latest version. So check for updates right here. And then if you see that there are available updates, just update it. So once it is done, what we're going to do last is to click on Scan Options and then choose Microsoft Defender Antivirus, which is an offline scan. And then once you click on Scan Now, your PC will turn off and then Microsoft Defender Virus will now scan for your entire system. After that, they will remove the virus and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.